A Kansas liquor drink tax bond. What is a liquor drink tax bond? A liquor drink tax bond is a type of surety bond required by the Kansas Department of Revenue. It acts as a guarantee that the business will comply with all applicable laws and regulations regarding the sale of alcoholic beverages. Essentially, it's a way for the state to ensure that businesses collecting taxes on liquor sales will remit those taxes to the government in a timely manner. Why is it needed? The primary purpose of the liquor drink tax bond is to protect the state and its citizens. By requiring businesses to obtain this bond, the state can ensure that taxes collected on the sale of alcoholic beverages are properly accounted for and remitted. This helps prevent tax evasion and ensures that the state receives the revenue it is owed. Additionally, the bond provides recourse for consumers and the state in case the business fails to comply with regulations or fails to pay the required taxes. If a business violates the terms of the bond, individuals or the state can make a claim against the bond to recover any losses incurred as a result of the business's actions. How to obtain a liquor drink tax bond. Obtaining a liquor drink tax bond is a relatively straightforward process, but it does require some paperwork and financial investment. Here's a step-by-step guide. Determine bond amount. The first step is to determine the required bond amount. This amount varies depending on factors such as the type of liquor license held by the business and the expected volume of liquor sales. Find a surety bond provider. Once you know the bond amount required, you'll need to find a surety bond provider. Surety bond providers are companies that specialize in issuing bonds. It's essential to choose a reputable provider with experience in issuing bonds for businesses in Kansas. Apply for the bond. The next step is to apply for the bond. You'll need to provide information about your business, such as its name, address, and tax identification number. The surety bond provider will also likely require financial information, such as credit scores and financial statements. Pay the premium. Once your application is approved, you'll need to pay the bond premium. The premium is a percentage of the total bond amount and is typically paid annually. The exact premium rate depends on factors such as the business's creditworthiness and the perceived risk of issuing the bond. Receive the bond. After payment of the premium, the surety bond provider will issue the liquor drink tax bond. You'll receive a copy of the bond, which you'll need to submit to the Kansas Department of Revenue as proof of compliance. Maintain compliance. Once you have the bond in place, it's essential to maintain compliance with all applicable laws and regulations regarding the sale of alcoholic beverages. This includes timely payment of taxes and adherence to licensing requirements. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.